Hey there, folks, another question from Lynn Diana. What is the capacitance of this composite capacitor? It's like three capacitors associated, with the left part using half the area and the right part using the other half. Capacitor 1 has capacitance epsilon naught A over 2 divided by D times the dielectric constant. The capacitance of capacitor 2 is epsilon naught times A over 2, over D over 2, right? It covers half the distance, times K2 dot, and capacitance 3 is epsilon naught half the area over half the distance, times dielectric constant 3. Next step, let's develop this one here. I'll call this term that's repeating simply C. These capacitors C2 and C3 that form a sandwich are in series, right? Let's first calculate the equivalent capacitance of this sandwich by the product over the sum. Next step, associate C23 in parallel with capacitor 1, since they both share the area. This equivalent capacitance is exactly what he's asking for. Let's add C1 to C23, put C in evidence, and then replace it with epsilon naught A over D. And here we have a K1 over 2 plus the product K2 K3. Which leads us to alternative B for ball. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and see you next time.